Really good question, and thanks for asking. For those that don't know, Nua and Moco are two new non-bank lenders that are offering mortgages in Ireland. They're really good products, really flexible. They are more expensive than the traditional banks. However, I do think in some circumstances we're paying more for the mortgage if it's more flexible. So for argument's sake, these providers will allow you lend or borrow to you. They'll lend to you, allow you borrow up to 80 years of age. Not saying it's always a great thing to do, but if you are someone that's being late to the party, getting on the property ladder, you have less time, which means you're going to have an increased mortgage repayment, which might cripple your cash flow or means you can't get the mortgage. If you can put it out to 80 years of age, and if you have a financial plan that shows a pension in the background, where the tax-free lump sum from the pension might clear the mortgage when you retire at 65, I think it's a really good product to use because you're bringing in financial planning and financial products together, which I'm a really big fan of. But yes, to answer your question, you can always switch to another lender in the future. Now, to be honest, the problem you're going to have at 45 and 52 years of age is that if you wait for 8 years to switch, the eldest of the two of you is going to be 60 years of age. So a traditional bank, you're back to that kind of 5 to 10 year term. So you'd want to have a financial plan in place, whether it's the investment account or the pension, that could be accessed maybe at 60 to pay the mortgage down to make it more palatable from a repayment point of view if you shorten the term down to another bank. But yeah, it can be done, but it needs to be done with a really good financial plan around it. We've agencies to both of these banks. If you're thinking about going this way, give us a shout. We can do the mortgage alongside the financial plan to put the two of them together. But I do really love these two lenders because it's great to see flexible products, because not everybody fits in with the traditional banks products, which is unfortunate. So I think this is great. I think they're great products for people to be able to use. And sorry, just before anybody DMs me saying having a mortgage to 80 years of age is ridiculous, it's not. Renting between 65 and 80 years of age is ridiculous. So if you can actually use financial products to your benefit, you should be using them. But like I said, only with a really well-designed financial plan wrapped around them. And these banks won't lend to you till 80 years of age unless you have the pension plan or another property or an investment account or something else that shows you can clearly pay the mortgage if your income stops, if you retire at 65. So just don't. This isn't reckless lending, and people lend at 80 years of age and people have no incomes and how's they getting repossessed. That's what this product is. It's a really good product that fits into the financial plan, like I said.